First of all, I thought the zoo was disturbing, personally, and not necessarily because of the whole bestiality theme it addresses. I just felt divided between how much the theme itself bothered me and how beautifully made the movie was at the same time. And Dever tells the story of a man that dies as a consequence of his unusual encounter with a horse, and I thought it was an original story to explore, but it was even more original the way he went about it. It was not explicit in any way, and the scenes with graphic footage of bestiality were kept to a minimum. And on top of that, I thought that the tension created between the subject matter and the aesthetics of the film was really successful in a weird way in how it managed to portray this uncomfortable matter in a beautiful way. I loved how the film was almost monochromatic and had this dark feel to it throughout. I thought the music really added a lot to the almost lyrical feel of the movie. And having said that, I kind of felt a disconnection between the visuals and the audio. I was also a little confused about to what extent this movie was considered a documentary. I wasn't sure who was an actor and who was a real character of the scandal. The Q&A with Robinson Dever clarified this in a way. It explained that a lot of the people that were directly involved with this case didn't want to be caught on tape, but that would allow him to record the audio accounts. And that explains why I felt the disconnection at times. But I also thought it was respectable how, regardless of the constraints he had, he still managed to bring the story to light. And I felt like he came up with smart and almost poetic solutions to the problems he had. He also responded to a question I had regarding the specific genre of the film and said that people have too many constraints, and to him, Zoo is a documentary, even though maybe not in its typical format. I also like the way he dealt with the controversy regarding this film. It's not a pro-bestiality film, but he seems to be cool with the fact that some people might see it in this way, and he seemed very uncompromising about how he goes about his art and his intentions of showing a human side to his candle.